Have you been troubled by thinking and even after searching, you are not getting a good AI video generator? Then you have clicked on the right video. You can generate a considerable revenue by making AI videos for free.
Let's start the video. Open Google and search.
Did AI? Click on the first link, and as it opens, you will be shown something like this. Then you will see 3 layers above. You have to click on the ledger and you have to click on login, and you will be shown something like this. Then you have to click on the plus icon. As you click, you will be asked to create an account. Simple, you have to create an account now. It is very easy to create an account. You have to write your name, write Gmail, and create a good password. After that, you have to verify your Gmail, and your account is now ready. I will keep making videos for you by searching and struggling like this, so subscribe to the channel to watch such videos. And don't waste time on social media, just subscribe my channel. As soon as your account is created, you have to open it on the desktop site and you will be shown something like this. You just have to click on the Create button and you will get a lot of characters. You can also take your own photo and download it from Google. For this, you click on the Add button and your file will open. You can customize any photo. Can do. Now you have to make a good video, then watch the video well. First you have to learn, and after that you have to select any one character, and you can make it big or small. You can keep its background of any color by clicking on the BG bottom. I keep it green. Your character has just been created. Now you have to give it. Voice will be shown on the side. Text, you have to write anything and click on the voice icon, and what you typed will become the voice. The funniest thing is that every will get the voice.
Hello guys, subscribe my channel.
Sound like this for screen recording? You have to download the video now. I told you that you can select any language, so I have made another video to show you people in Hindi, then you can watch it. I again take a character. This boy took it, and we have to do it in the same way as before. Then you have to come down and click on the icon with the flag, and you can see that there are many languages, and select Hindi. We'll type something else and listen how nice voice has become.
कैसे हो आप लोग?
Now you have to click on the Generate Video option to download the video, and it will show something like this. Then click on Generate while it is being generated. Let me tell you that I have given AiTools to you. And did AiTools, first tools you will get story, and second tools you will get both character and voice. So you guys are smart now, you guys have to make content. Don't waste your time, just subscribe my channel and glow with me with AiTools. As your video is generated, you have to click on the video, then you can see the video, how amazing the video has become. You
कैसे हो आप लोग?
click on the download button and the video will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. Glow me AI, just subscribe.